mirror my movements. Keep your feet planted on the balance floor. This will work the muscles from your inner thighs to your stomach. Keep your back and legs straight and your hips tucked in. Expand your chest slightly and relax your shoulders. While you inhale, raise both arms and bring them together at the top. While inhaling, stretch your spine and fingers upward. While exhaling, swing your hips to the left and reach your arms to the right. Without twisting your body, tilt and extend to the side. Hold that position and breathe slowly. Inhale.
Good job.
Exhale.
Good job, Imogen. You're doing it.
While inhaling, turn your upper body
You have to
to
bend
upright
this
position.
that way. Okay.
As you
Stop.
exhale, swing your hips to the right and reach your arms
This
to the
way.
left.
This way, Imogen.
Hold that position and breathe
Bend
slowly.
it that way.
Feel the stretch in your side.
Good job, Imogen.
Breathe in.
Oops, oops.
Right, Imogen can do it.
You guys can both do it.
Yes.
Very good.
Come here.
I'm watching. I'm taking a movie of it.
Cheese.
Jeez.
Let's do it together.
Stay right.
Good job.
Can you get up? And back. This way. Imogen! Get on!